Okay, what are we doing?
So anyways, my brown friend Shamil, he's coming over, and he's known as Gold Dust. So today we're really going to make him known as Gold Dust. I got some gold dust right here, aka some glitter, and as soon as he comes through that door, my accomplice, he's going to trick him into having a little conversation with him, and then bam, he's going to get some gold dust in the face. I might kick him in the nuts, slap him, we'll see what happens, right? It's going to be fun. I'm going to dump it on his head from the room.
What up, nigga? Same shit, different day.
Oh, you motherfuckers! No way! That's real, dude. I'm sorry.
Really? I fucking cleaned your house and this is you fucking excuse me?
I'm sorry.
Get the fuck out of here.
We're gonna make money off this. Don't
Gold dust? Is that what it was?
Gold dust.
Oh, let us see. Shamil, you always did say you like gold. You always. What do you got to say?
It was your idea. Friends do for friends that just pulled pranks on.
In my eye too.
As you can see. Oh yeah. Does that hurt?
No.
It's coming off. Is it? Yeah.
It's coming off very well, actually.
Pretty fucking good. Wow, this shit sticks on pretty good though, eh?
Yeah, is it coming out though?
No, it's coming out. But oh my god. You might want to take your shirt off. So you can also show the chicks on YouTube that make fucking muscles. How sexy mulatto you are. Half brown, half white this guy is. That's mulatto cream skin right there, man. Got that shit right on.